today is a perfect day for a nice life lesson that also gives you a reality check. How do you stay happy regardless of whatever is going on in your life? All you have to do is think about the fact that you are going to die, because then you're just not even here. Your dreams, your aspirations, your things, your family, like everything is going to be gone in an instant. It is a given. It is 100% going to happen. I'm going to die, you're going to die, your family's going to die, everybody in the world is going to die at some point. Now, the shitty thing is that we don't know when it's going to happen. You might not wake up tomorrow, God forbid. Maybe you have a very peaceful death. Maybe you have a very violent death. Maybe you get notice that you're about to die from the doctor. When you really sit down, watch yourself from outside of your body in this very moment and think about the chaos, the absolute mayhem that would take place if you literally just dropped dead right now. Now, think about the fact that it has not happened. That day has not come yet. It's gonna come, but it's not here today. The fact is that as long as you're alive, that is all that matters. Take all these problems that you have with a grain of salt. Nothing in the world is so bad that you are gonna have a miserable life, okay? The way that we feel and the way that we react to things are 100% in our control. As long as you can learn to control your reactions, you're gonna be golden. Always remember, everything is perfectly amazing. The world is beautiful because you're breathing. I hope that helped. That's what I do all the time. You know, anytime I'm feeling upset, I'm just thinking about, bitch, you're not dead, okay? As long as you're not dead, you're fine.